Here are 5 tips and tricks that you need to know when you choose your flooring.
First, consider the traffic and usage of the room. High traffic areas like office areas and retail stores need durable flooring options such as high-density laminate or vinyl SPC flooring, while hardwood and tile flooring are a great choice for your residents. Next, don't ignore the moisture and climate conditions. For example, since basements are usually more humid, never install hardwood in a basement. Instead, opt for engineered hardwood, vinyl SPC, or laminate flooring options. Third, if you want to install heated floors, first check if the flooring is compatible. Some floors may warp due to heat, while laminate and vinyl are generally more compatible with radiant heating systems. Check with your contractor for more information. Fourth, accurately estimate the amount of material that you need. Measure your space carefully and add a margin for cuts and waste. In most cases, a 5% extra margin is more than enough. This prevents unexpected delays and costs. Lastly, consider the maintenance requirements. You need to be more careful with water around hardwood floors, for example, making sure to dry up any water accidents to prevent the wood from absorbing it, which can cause warping, whereas laminate and vinyl are easier to maintain. Visit our website or one of our stores to explore our wide range of flooring options. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips.